Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fluent Flow English Learning Podcast. I'm Siri.
And I'm Carl. Great to have you with us today.
So Carl, today we're going to talk about something super practical, something everyone does every single day.
Daily routines, right?
Exactly. And you know what? This is probably the most useful English conversation topic you can learn.
Oh, absolutely. Think about it. When you meet someone new, what do they ask? What do you do? How's your day going? What time do you usually wake up? All routine stuff.
Right. So today we're going to walk through an entire day in English, from morning to night. And we're going to teach you the natural, everyday phrases that native speakers actually use.
Not textbook English, real English.
Exactly. So, Carl, let's start with you. What's your morning routine like?
Okay, so my alarm goes off at 6:30 a.m. And honestly, I always hit snooze at least once,
Same, I'm terrible at waking up.
right? So I usually actually get up around 6:45. First thing I do is stumble to the kitchen and make coffee. I'm basically a zombie until I have that first cup.
Stumble is such a good word there. It means walking in an unsteady way, like when you're still half asleep.
Exactly. I don't walk gracefully to the kitchen in the morning, I stumble.
So real. Okay, so after coffee, what's next?
I usually check my phone while drinking my coffee. Emails, messages, news. Just catching up on what I missed overnight.
Notice how Carl said, catching up? That's a really common phrase. It means getting current with information or getting back in touch with someone.
Right? Like, I need to catch up on work or let's catch up over coffee.
Love it. So after you catch up on your phone, then what?
Then I hop in the shower. Quick shower, maybe 10 minutes. Get dressed. Usually pretty casual since I work from home most days.
Hop in the shower is another casual phrase. It just means get in the shower, but it sounds more natural than saying, I take a shower.
Yeah, we use hop for a lot of things. Hop in the car, hop on a call, hop over to the store.
So casual and natural. Okay, what about breakfast?
I usually keep it simple. Toast with peanut butter, or if I have time, I'll scramble some eggs.
Scramble eggs is the verb we use for making scrambled eggs, right?
Yep, not make scrambled eggs, what we say scramble eggs.
Got it. So what time do you actually start work?
Usually around 8:30 or 9. I work from home, so I just walk to my desk. No commute.
Lucky, I have to commute. Takes me about 30 minutes.
How do you get to work?
I take the subway. And honestly, I use that time to listen to podcasts or audiobooks. Makes the commute feel productive.
Smart. So what time do you wake up to make that work?
I have to wake up at 7, which is rough for me because I'm not a morning person at all.
Not a morning person. That's such a common phrase. It means you don't function well in the morning.
Yeah, as opposed to a morning person who wakes up all energetic and happy.
Right, I'm kind of in between. Not energetic, but not totally useless either.
Fair. Okay, so let's skip to lunch. What do you usually do for lunch?
I usually take a break around noon. Sometimes I meal prep on Sundays, so I'll heat up leftovers. Other times I'll just make a quick sandwich.
Meal prep is when you prepare meals in advance, usually for the whole week, right?
Exactly, it saves so much time during the week.
I should do that, but I'm terrible at planning ahead. I usually just grab something quick. Maybe a salad from the place near my office.
Grab something is another super common phrase. It means to get food quickly, usually takeout or fast food.
Right. Let's grab lunch. I grabbed a coffee, just grabbing something quick.
So after lunch, back to work?
Yeah, afternoon is usually my most productive time. I focus better after lunch for some reason.
Interesting, I'm the opposite. I always get sleepy around 2 or 3 p.m. I call it my afternoon slump.
Afternoon slump. That's when your energy drops in the afternoon.
Yep, that's when I usually take a short break. Maybe go for a quick walk or do some stretching.
Good idea. Okay, what time do you finish work?
Usually around 5 or 6. Then I try to work out if I have energy.
Work out means exercise, right?
Right, go to the gym, go for a run, do some home workouts. Whatever I feel like that day.
I usually work out in the mornings before work. Otherwise, I just won't do it.
I usually work out in the mornings before work. Otherwise, I just won't do it.
I get home around 6:30 or 7. First thing I do is change into comfy clothes, work clothes off, sweatpants on.
The best moment of the day.
Right? Then I make dinner. I like cooking, so I usually spend about 30 to 45 minutes making something.
What do you usually make?
It varies. Stir fry, pasta, sometimes I'll try a new recipe I found online. Just depends on my mood.
Depends on my mood is such a useful phrase. It means your decision changes based on how you feel.
Yeah. What movie should we watch? Depends on my mood.
Exactly. So after dinner,
Usually I relax, watch some TV, read a book, or just scroll through social media.
scroll through social media. That's what we all do way too much of, right?
Guilty. What about you? What's your evening routine?
Pretty similar. Dinner, then I usually watch a show or movie. Sometimes I'll catch up with friends over a video call.
Catch up with friends. There's that phrase again. It means have a conversation to stay connected.
Right, and then around 10 or 11, I start winding down for bed.
Winding down means relaxing and preparing for sleep.
Yep, I'll brush my teeth, maybe read for a bit, then lights out around 11 or midnight.
Lights out is a casual way to say going to sleep.
Exactly, so that's pretty much a typical day for both of us.
And notice something important for our listeners?
What's that?
All the phrases we used. Hop in the shower, grab lunch, catch up, wind down, lights out. These are all casual, natural expressions that native speakers use constantly.
Right. You won't find these in most textbooks, but you'll hear them in every single real conversation.
Exactly. So to our listeners, try using these phrases when you talk about your own routine.
Yeah, practice describing your day using this natural, casual language.
All right, I think that's a good place to wrap up today's episode.
Before we go, quick challenge for everyone listening.
Oh, I like challenges. What is it?
Record yourself describing your daily routine in English, just audio on your phone. Use some of these phrases we talked about today.
That's such a good idea. And then listen back to hear how you sound.
Exactly. You'll probably surprise yourself with how much you can say.
All right, everyone. Thanks so much for listening to the Fluent Flow English Learning Podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes.
And leave us a comment or review. We love hearing from you.
Tell us, what's your daily routine like? What time do you wake up? Are you a morning person or a night owl?
We'd love to hear from you.
Until next time, keep flowing with your English.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.